and so is the start for the new story.
Thank you.
You know what we do in Lagos is we put our hands on top of your hand to support you. Support you.
Okay, so stick it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's clap the hand, please. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Once again, I appreciate your coming to witness the opening of the former opening of Bluechip Technologies in DRC. We're very delighted, and we hope that in the next few years we'll be celebrating a lot of successes in DRC. We are here to really do business, to really impact on society. We're here to invest and ensure that we can scale up the level of IT services that you're witnessing currently in this market. We've been doing a lot of this in other markets, and we believe that the DRC market is very ripe for us to invest in. The cordiality that we received since we came in here is a testament that yes, that DRC is welcoming investors to come and add value in their country. So this is going to be a world-class local IT company. We want to localize our services. We want to ensure that the locals will get a lot of skills that will transfer to them. They'll be able to implement high-scale IT infrastructure project, software project, big data projects, and ensuring that yes, the values that we can get anywhere in the world can also be gotten from locals as well. Thank you very much once again. We are here for business, and we are open.
Okay.
Your business. Okay. It's an ecosystem. All right. Our beat is to ensure that we open up the environment much more for different players, try to talk to different partners. As we are here, we know that we are very connected with other service providers like training people, like training companies, people that actually train people in IT, IT skills. So we don't see ourselves as an island. We have an excellent B2B kind of partnerships with other players in the ecosystem. So we work together to ensure that we stimulate learning, innovation, and growth.
I think if I can quickly add to that is we do have a very interesting program that we've run in every country called the Business Intelligence Training Program, where we take fresh graduates out of school, we pay them to train them. So we actually pay you while training you, and then the successful people we on board as analysts within the organization. We're going to have our first one in DRC this year, taking about 30 people, and then bringing them into the institution, pay them to train them, and then the successful people get onboarded as our first analysts, even though we've already started doing that already. So we're quite excited about the training, because an organization is only as good as its people, right? And it takes a village to raise one. So we're very passionate about that.
Yes, in addition to what he has said, we are officially going to start, like he said, like he promised, but we have started, in principle, we have started as we speak. We already have candidates that we are mentoring. We pay them while mentoring them, because we also understand that we have some needs. So what we call it split stipends. We encourage them to learn. We encourage our engineers. We have what we call Center of Excellence. So we get them to handshake with everyone for proper integration. So we have done that for a few Congolese, and we're still doing it. There's a Congolese that we have at the client site that we groomed from the ground level. Now he's an engineer, delivering services and to the delight of the customer.
So what we mean by business solution at any scale is that we start with the customer. We have customers who are started at the zero, who are very, very early, and we have customers who are very mature. So you have the early customers and mature customers. What we've said and what we mean by business solution at any scale is that we can sit down with each customer to look at your needs, right? Being either you're one customer or you're a customer after 10 years of business, you all have different needs. So we can sit down with each customer to analyze your needs. That's the first thing. Before anybody can provide solutions, you have to understand the customer needs. So we can understand your needs first and then provide the right solutions that meet the customers at the point of their needs. We have some of the telcos that we've worked with who started out at 700,000 subscribers when we started working out with them. And today that telco is over 7 million subscribers. So we provide a solution at 700K, provide a solution at 7 million, meaning we can provide solutions depending on your needs and at whatever level you are.